Hello, I'm here today to go over the assignment that you missed from being absent from class today. Your peers were actually completing a lab demonstration in class, and because you were absent, this is your alternative assignment. This is all again continuing all about the blood. And the parts of blood. So on this first intro slide, as you can read, it goes through and overviews everything you need to know. It talks about the four types of blood: your plasma, your red blood cells, your white blood cells, and then your platelets. It talks about a blood transfusion, which we talked about yesterday. It talks about your different blood types, which we talked about in the genetics unit. So that is kind of an overview about blood in case you need a reference point. So all the remaining slides 2 through 8, are going to be where you have to actually do some work. So if you look at slide 2, these are your first two components of blood. So you're going to tell me what plasma is. Again, you can go right to that background slide, or if you want to look at your notes from yesterday, that's no problem, but that's kind of what you're looking for. Same thing, red blood cells. Slide 3 is your white blood cells and your platelets. So you're kind of trying to talk to me about what they are and what is their function and structure like in the body. Then you're going to answer on slides 4 and 5. You have basic questions. What are the 4 parts of blood? What part fights infection? What part carries oxygen and carbon dioxide? What is the liquid part, mostly made of water? What is the part that forms scabs? What is the most prevalent? What is the least prevalent? If you did the student PACE pear deck, or if you were in class yesterday, we really exhausted these questions, hoping that you would know the answers to them. Slide number 6 is, again, just an example of vocabulary. So you could, again, look at your notes, or you can go to Google, and you're just telling me what these words mean. Okay, just kind of reinforcing that. Slide number 7. They're basic questions about the blood. So you have 4 multiple choice and then 1 short answer. And then lastly, in slide number 8, that's kind of just like a fun little puzzle. You have to kind of decode using your numbers about the blood. So I hope you enjoy that or this activity. This is what you need to complete. Of course, when you got it in the email, it's going to make a copy for your own. Then just make sure you share it back with me so that I know that you completed the assignment. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out. We would love to help. Thank you so much.